The wooden Christmas tree that remember love. Welcome. Today we celebrate simplicity, creativity, and heart. Not with glitter or expensive decorations, but with handmade wooden trees, small recycled treasures, and the magic of giving old things new life. Let me tell you a story. In a small snowy village, long before Christmas lights sparkle in windows, there lived an old carpenter named Arman. Arman's workshop was filled with wood, shavings, old tools, and scraps of timber left behind from the furniture he repaired. He was skilled, but he lived simply, never wasting anything. But when Christmas arrived each year, the town square glowed with grand decorations. Families proudly displayed tall, glittering Christmas tree covered in new ornaments from the market. But Armand didn't have money to buy one. So one winter morning, picked up small leftover wooden pieces from his workshop floor, each piece for the different size, shape, and color. But Armand looked at them and smiled. He began carving slowly. He shaped a little Christmas tree, not tall, not fancy, but full of care. He sanded it gently, brushed off the dust, and tied a bow of gold jute rope around it. That evening, he placed the wooden tree on the table with a simple candle beside it, and the room felt warm, quite peaceful. His small wooden tree did not shine like the others, but it held his heart. That winter, a heavy snowstorms swept across the town. Electric lights failed, shops closed, the tall market bought trees dimmed into darkness. But Armand's little wooden tree, it stood strong, glowing softly under the candlelight. Neighbors who passed by Armand's windows saw it. Warmth radiated from it, gentle, calm, comforting. One by one, families came to his home. They sat around his table, drank warm tea, shared stories, sang softly, and suddenly everyone realized something. Christmas is not about how grand things look. Christmas is about how deeply they are felt. That night, the smallest tree in the village became the one remembered forever. Now let's bring the story of life in our homes. Just like Arman, we can create beauty with what we already have. Handmade wooden tree ideas. Scrap wood mini tree, gather leftover wood pieces, cut into small decreasing length, stack and glue like layers of a tree, tie jute rope around the base, add a pine cone on the top like a star. This tree has so every piece tells a different story. Branch a stick tree, collect them tree branches, arrange them from longest to shortest, tie together with twine or jute rope. Hang it on the wall, decorate with tiny ornaments or dried berries. This makes your home feel rustic and natural. Wooden block table tree. Use an old broken shelf or plank. Cut simple triangle shapes. Paint them softly or leave them natural. Place them around candles on your dinner table. A calm, elegant Christmas centerpiece. Recycle decoration ideas. Pine cone candle circle. Place a candle in the middle of your table. Surround with pine cones. Add a bit of cinnamon or rosemary. The room will smell like winter forest and home. Recycle. Take empty glass jars. Fill the bottom with coarse salt. Look like snow. Place a tea light inside. Wrap jute rope around the top. Add a pine leaf. Soft, simple, glowing. Lesson of the story. Arman taught us something precious. The beauty of Christmas is not about it is created when we recycle. We show respect to the earth, we honor the money of every material, we create emotional decoration. We make our home meaningful, not just decorated. A wooden tree made with love is worth more than a plastic tea made in haste. A jar lantern glowing softly is warmer than lights blinking without feelings. A pine cone found while walking is a memory of nature itself. So, this Christmas, before you buy something new, look at what you already have: a piece of wood, a branch, a jar, a pine cone, a memory. Give it new life, give it warmth, give it love. Because Christmas is not about having more, it is more about feeling more. Thank you for watching. Thank you, be a part of this journey.